So who wants to know about YouTube? You do. You do. I did not expect to make money at all from YouTube, but now here I am. I'm a millionaire. Well, let's get right into it, shall we? Hi guys, long time no see, and by that I don't mean long time at all, because yo girl has been on schedule. Let's talk about something nobody really cares, why I started YouTube. Just kidding, I know you care probably, but if you don't, then you can totally skip this. But why I started YouTube, I don't know if you guys remember this, it happened not too long ago when everything shut down because of a certain something that was going around infecting people.
Mad snail disease.
During that whole thing, my job had shut down. I was at home, I think for maybe like a month or 2 months, and I was getting pretty bored. Let me get closer so you guys can see my pores. So I decided to start a YouTube channel. And honestly, like I had tried to start a YouTube channel like maybe, I don't know, maybe back in middle school. I was pretty bored and I was like, hey, I am so fascinated with the dental assisting world and I want to give people an insight on how to become a dental assistant. So I started my YouTube channel right then and there, and little did I know that it would get a lot of views, surprisingly. I did not expect to make money at all from YouTube, but now here I am. I'm a millionaire. Just kidding, I'm not a millionaire. Yeah, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, just know it might take several tries. Honestly, you just have to find what makes you happy and what you want to spread out into the world. For me, it was dental assisting and of course the gospel, because everything I do is because of God and He has given me this platform and I just want to share Him and all He's done with me with the world. So just search your motives. Guys, you don't need a big fancy setup to start off your YouTube channel. I started off with just my phone. I had a bed sheet and I put it as my background and I just had natural light coming in. And then I would stack my phone on like these books, and that is how I started it. And you know what, guys? I still basically use the same thing. You see this light? You see this light that I have right now? This is natural light. I do have a mirror over there reflecting that light, and then I do have like this little ring light thing going on here, but mainly it's just natural light. Like you don't need a fancy system. And guess what, guys? I'm still filming on my phone. It's not a fancy camera or anything. And guess what? It's also the front camera. Look at the quality. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, you can still see my pores, and that's really all you want to see. If you want to know what phone I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's pretty cool. I think the lighting looks really good too. I just have like this little stand here, so I didn't really like to have to put it on top of books all the time, so I got just like this cheap little ring light stand. It's super tall. It shrinks down as little as you want it to go, and then it also goes up to like 6.5 feet, so you can angle it down if you want to stand up. Just know that you're not gonna make money right away. I do believe that you have to wait until you have at least 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to do all of this, like fill out forms and go online and click things and make your Google AdSense account in order to start making money. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I got on that stuff. Once you get into the system, you have to be careful, guys, because in your videos, you have to try not to get copyrighted. So for example, all of this like background music that I have, it's non-copyright music. Some artists put out non-copyright music that you can find on YouTube. Let's talk about my video editing software, because I don't use a fancy one. I don't even think I pay for it, or actually if I do, it might just be like $20 for a year's subscription. I like this one because it's not really complicated, but you can still do some fun little things. I'm sure that there's other videos. If not, leave in the comments down below and I can make a tutorial on how to use it. For thumbnails, like I literally just stay very still.
I've mastered the ability of standing so incredibly still that I become invisible to the eye.
Like this, or this. Then I just screenshot that and I just like make final touches on it and I put it as my thumbnail. That's it. And then make sure that you have YouTube Studio, the app, because that will allow you to change your thumbnail. And also make sure that you have a business email. So very beneficial for you to add that on the bottom of all of your videos, because companies will reach out to you once you get to a certain level, or even if you're not that big. Like I'm not that big, and companies are still reaching out to me and they send you stuff. Companies will send you things, and that's part of how you will make money. Most of the time you will make money through the ads. And don't think like a couple of thousand views are gonna make you a lot of money. I'm gonna insert my stats here, that way you can kind of see what videos make what money. So right here you can see that this video with just 1,000 views gets about $6.53. And now you can see that this video with 14K views gets about $100. So let's double it now a little bit. Let's go to a video with 27,000 views, and this one has about 180. So you can see it's not much of a difference. And then finally, let's go to my video with the most views, which is about 200K, and I have generated about $1.6K with that one. But it's all about the ads. So guys, like when you're watching a video of a creator that you really like and you really want to support, make sure you watch all of those ads because they will add up. If you skip it, you don't really make a lot of money, if not any money at all. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about how much I make. I can tell you, I think the most that I've gotten in 1 month was $1,000, $1,200, and they do pay you monthly, guys, and I'm making most of my money from like my old videos. So on average, I get about over $100 each month, and hey, that's something. That's like a pair of Birkenstocks each month. And I hope that you guys start your YouTube channels. I would love to see your YouTube channels. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Okay, yeah, all right, bye.